I receive this one question quite a lot. How exactly can I withdraw my earnings from Fiverr? And it's actually quite simple. The only thing that you need to do is you need to click up here on earnings, and afterwards then what you're going to find is this right here. It says withdraw. So if you have any earnings in your Fiverr account, you can withdraw them at any given time. Just click right here on PayPal, or click on bank transfer, or click on Fiverr revenue card in order to withdraw your earnings directly from Fiverr. Now, you probably ask yourself, what exactly is a Fiverr revenue card? Now, a Fiverr revenue card, as far as I understand, is just simply a card that you can use then to purchase other things directly on Fiverr. Now, if you want to just set up your bank account, just click right here. If you want to set up your PayPal account, it's going to securely connect you to PayPal, and then you can just withdraw your earnings at any given time. So really, it's not complicated. I'm going to keep this video short. Just go to earnings, click right here on withdraw, and then you can withdraw your earnings. All right, that was it now here for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope we can see each other in the next one.